This question comes from Suzanne. If you had a printed version of the entire Wikipedia, how many printers would you need to keep up with the changes made to the live version? For English Wikipedia, the number is surprisingly low, just 6 printers. But before you attempt to create a live updating paper version of Wikipedia, let's take a look at what those printers would actually be doing and how much it would cost. People have considered printing Wikipedia before. In 2012, Rob Matthews printed every featured article, creating a book several feet thick. In 2015, Michael Mandelberg created an art installation by printing around 1% of Wikipedia's articles without images to demonstrate its scale. But the entire encyclopedia would be much larger. Wikipedia user TopWiz created a page that estimates the current size of the entire English Wikipedia, without images, in printed volumes. It would certainly take up a lot of bookshelves, but most libraries have even more books. Keeping up with edits, however, would be a much bigger challenge. Currently, English Wikipedia receives around 150,000 edits each day, roughly 100 per minute. Measuring the word count of the average edit is difficult, but we can estimate that each change would require reprinting a page somewhere. Some edits will affect multiple pages, while others will be reverted, allowing us to restore previously printed pages. So, assuming 1 page per edit seems like a reasonable estimate. With a mix of photos, tables, and text typical of Wikipedia, a good inkjet printer might print around 15 pages per minute. That means you'd only need about 6 printers running continuously to keep pace with roughly 100 edits per minute. However, paper would pile up quickly. Using Rob Matthews' book as a reference, I did my own rough estimate for the size of the current English Wikipedia. Based on the average length of featured articles versus all articles, I estimated that a full printout would take up around 300 cubic meters. By comparison, if you tried to keep up with live edits, you'd be printing 300 cubic meters of paper every month. 6 printers might not sound like much, but they'd need to run non-stop, and that would be expensive. Electricity costs would be low, a few dollars per day. Depending on wages in your area, this could cost as much as the paper or significantly less if you manage to trick Wikipedia's volunteer editors into helping you. Even the printers themselves wouldn't be too expensive, though they would need to be replaced frequently. Various sources estimate that for a typical inkjet printer, real-world ink costs range from 5 cents per page for black and white to around 10 cents per page for color. So, you definitely want to invest in a laser printer. Otherwise, in just a few months, this project could cost you $500,000. But that's not even the worst part.